Hi, good afternoon everyone. Uh, Nice to meet you again. Today, I'm here again at Loyola Memorial Park, Marikina, to visit the final resting place of one of the former senator of the Philippines and former ambassador of the Philippines to the Netherlands and Cambodia and many more. I'm walking to find the graves of the former senator, ambassador, and actor. He is an actor of Sampaguita and LBN Studios. My friend. I'm here to taking a vlog in front the grave of a former actor, ambassador, and former senator of the Philippines. I think this is the grave of a former senator of the Philippines, actor, ambassador. Recent fees. Ambassador Rogelio de la Rosa. November 12, 1916 to November 26, 1986. My darling, always Luti and RS. This is the final resting place of former ambassador of the Philippines, senator and actor Rogelio de la Rosa. This is the Garden of Peace. This is a view of the Garden of Peace. Once again, thank you very much to all viewers and friends inside and outside the country. Once again, thank you very much for watching. God bless everyone. Bye.